here we are. So really want to take a slip on these pigs that are back here behind my truck. I don't know exactly where they're at. You know, I know where they've been, which is about 250 yards back this way. Pretty good little rainstorm this morning, still raining now. I'm in my truck. I'm in front of a little body of water so I can kind of watch the intensity of the rain kind of change. Got one little band going through of rain. Should be slowing down here in just a little bit. Then I'm planning on just getting in the woods and working my way through, see what I see. The wind's pretty good. I wish it was more from my back to the camera right now, but it's north. I need it to be north, and so we're gonna give it a try. If I get within 40 today, I'm letting it eat. So I don't feel great to 45. I feel pretty great to 35, but I'm letting one fly. We'll see. So I've got two stuck. One's dead right over there. I think one's dead. Just about 45 yards out of me. Pigs are still right here. I'm down to one arrow though. But I'm gonna freaking shoot it if they give me a chance. We'll see. Okay, pig number one has been found. I know there's still some pigs in here, so I'm gonna be quiet. I gotta go find pig number two. It's starting to rain again, so it's gonna get tough to find this pig, but let's go see what we can do. Rain's for sure not helping, but I'm gonna keep hustling, see if I can find him. All right, finally broke this bow in. It is a crappy day. It's rained and rained and rained, but I was able to slip up on a group of pigs. Got a good shot on one. Watched it fall. Got another shot just really quick after that. And pig ran up in this thicket. Still pigs around, so I just kind of sat and waited to see what would happen, hoping to get yet a third shot, which I did not. And I think that second shot was a little forward. I don't happen so quick, and I don't think I got it on camera, but he ran up in the thickest crap that I've walked up in it. I mean, you can see like 5 feet. And then one hell of a rainstorm came in. I just sat and took it, but it washed almost all my blood away. So I finally just said, this is ridiculous. I don't know exactly the direction he went. He's probably dead up in there, but I'm just making it worse. So walk back the truck, maybe scan one more time, we'll see.